just finished my talk, and I'm blown away by the amount of questions I got. Usually when I do technical talks, there's much fewer time for QA, and also not so many people are really speaking up and asking, but this crowd was like really interested, and you had to cut off the questions because we just ran out of time. I think this is great, that this is something that exists at the Vienna University of Technology is amazing. I did not had the chance to have that when I was a student. I think this is like hugely inspiring. Hearing stories about people who also been there and sitting right here listening to lectures and then eventually made something for themselves. I hope I was able to inspire a few people to be more curious and just experiment and just do something, and maybe not only think about the typical way of I need to get VC money, but maybe just try it out, try to bootstrap, do your own thing, and then think about the details later. Yeah, I hope I could inspire a few people today.